Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can change or edit shortcuts in Snapchat app. Subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and let us get started. For this, we will need to open the Snapchat app. Next, we will need to take a picture with you. This photo will not go anywhere, we will not be displaying it. It is only necessary so that we have the opportunity to edit our shortcuts. After we have taken the photo, we click Send. But we don't send it to anyone. Now at the top of the screen we see our labels. In order to edit them, you can either click on an existing label and we will get a menu like this, or we can click on the plus sign and the same window will appear. Next, we need to select the shortcut that we want to change. Click on it. And here we see a list of people that have been added. What can we change in this shortcut? We can remove someone from this list, or we can add them. We can also click on the top of the screen, where we have the emoji of our shortcut. We can delete it and put in a new one. And now, after we've made all the changes we wanted to make, we just click Save. As you can see, not all emoji can be appropriate to create a label. And we can change the label. Let's go ahead and choose one of these. Oh, as you can see, this one fits. So also be careful when choosing an emoji. If some of them don't work for you, you can change them to a different one. As you can see, we now have a modified label. This is the easy way you can edit shortcuts in Snapchat and change their members. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to write your comments, subscribe to our channel. Give us likes. See you later.